remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did, and you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, when there is nothing to say, you and one and nothing to say. You and what won't you go and tell them all I know. Shouting on the rooftops, flying on the sky. All we had is gone. Tell them I was happy and my heart was broken. All my scars are open. Tell them that I hope would be impossible. 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 Falling out of love is hard. Falling for each girl is worse. Broken trust and broken hearts, I know. And thinking all you had is there. My illusion, my mistake. Empty promises will wear, I know. And now, when all is done, there is nothing to say. And if you're done, you never see me. You have one, won't you go ahead and tell them? Tell them what I know now. Raining on the rooftops, raining on the skyline. All we had is gone out. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hope would be impossible. 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 It'd be impossible. 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 I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. So tell them what I know now. Shouting on the rooftops, dying on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. Tell them I'm open. Tell them what I hope would be impossible. I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did.